Hello, welcome back to my channel. One day one tutorial. Are you going to delete the background of your photo but you don't know how to use Photoshop? Don't worry, you can do it on phone, without app, in one click only. From this picture, one click, to this picture without background. How to do it? Check this out. First of all, open your phone browser. And then, open Google and search remove.bg. After that, click Upload Image. And you can choose the photo that you want to remove the background. And simsalabim, the background is now gone. You can click download to save the picture. And you can also change the background with one click too. Here, click Edit. And you are seeing a lot of alternative backgrounds to use. You can use the solid color background. You can also use random background like this. And you can also upload your own background like this. Now you are standing up on a planet in unknown galaxy. Go try it.